Let's talk about this big shakeup. Attorney General Jeff Sessions today said it will be up to federal prosecutors appointed by President Trump to decide how to punish marijuana crimes in states where that drug's already legal.
That's not sitting well with Colorado lawmakers. The criticism was fierce. It was quick. Nearly every Colorado lawmaker said the move is a mistake.
Denver 7's Lance Hernandez spoke with a few top politicians, and Lance, they are ready to fight back.
Members of Congress are threatening to hold back on funding for the Department of Justice. It's an issue that comes down to states' rights. Rights that Republican Senator Gardner says he was assured were protected when he questioned Jeff Sessions during a pre-confirmation hearing.
Up until 8:58 this morning, that was the policy. One tweet later, one policy later, a complete reversal.
Fiery U.S. Senator Gardner is threatening to put a hold on every single judicial nomination from the Department of Justice until the AG lives up to the commitments he made during his pre-confirmation hearing.
I would encourage the Attorney General for this country, for the United States, to take a look at the United States Constitution.
Congressman Mike Kaufman says Article 1 of the Constitution allows the federal government to regulate commerce between the states, not within a state.
My view is that marijuana is an issue in our society that needs to be managed a lot like we manage alcohol, which means legalize it and then regulate it pretty closely.
Boulder County DA Stan Garnett says we need to wait and see how substantive the new directive is. He says it may just be symbolic. Colorado Attorney General Republican Cynthia Kaufman says she expects the feds will focus on gray and black markets, meaning the millions in illegal pot sales that still occur each year in Colorado.
And not target marijuana businesses that are abiding by our state laws.
Although the U.S. Attorney General rescinded the order today, it remains up to the U.S. Attorney for the state of Colorado to exercise this change. In a statement this afternoon, Bob Troyer said his office will remain, quote, focusing in particular on identifying and prosecuting those who create the greatest safety threats to the communities around our state.
Now, this rule change will have a big impact on our state. There are more than 1,000 dispensaries here, and the marijuana industry brings in more than $1 billion every year. We spoke to one dispensary owner this afternoon.
What kind of message do you have for Sessions and the Trump administration right now?
They're liars and they're sneaky. Don't trust anything they say because they're coming down.
Interest groups are already making plans to sue the Trump Department of Justice and fight this rule change. We will be there every step of the way as this policy fight unfolds. And remember, you can always find our coverage on the free Denver 7 app, including an extended version of our interview with Governor Hickenlooper.